a good start. Shit. Oh, apparently I'm the first one awake here. Whew. Well, I guess see you in like 15 or 17 hours, Grand Hotel. And I'm gonna miss the breakfast, and that's the saddest part of the whole game. Now I'm gonna grab a scooter. Unlock. Yes! Wish me luck! Okay. Can you come with me?
Yes.
And explain what this whole deal is about?
We walk in front.
Oh yeah. Get those extra steps. Like this whole idea came up from Oscar, no?
Yeah.
Oscar Bakke, he's the one that initiated this program because he's living in LA now, but he decided to go for that 100k steps, and I don't know if this was a thing.
Apparently it's been a thing during Corona. People want to do something.
So then they walk 100k steps. It's not 100k kilometers or 100k miles, but 100k steps, which is the equivalent of roughly 75 kilometers.
Yes.
75 kilometers. And how long do you think it's gonna take?
We were calculating between 10 and 18 hours, depending on how fast we walk and how small steps we walk.
That's a big difference, 10 or 18. I saw that your girlfriend Lisa is already like, look at her.
Small jogging.
She's cheating. She's at 6,000 steps and we were at like 4 something. Her goal is just to finish super early because she's in such a shape and
she doesn't care about the team.
Yeah, exactly. That's a very bad idea. So we're leaving Stockholm, going to a huge path that Marcus did on his bike, and then we're gonna come back exactly on the other side tonight.
Yes.
Apparently it's kind of easy until 2/3 of the actual thing.
At about 75k, I think Oscar said it was starting to become pretty chilly.
3/4 in, that's when you start bleeding from everywhere.
Yeah.
So wish us luck.
Yeah.
How long did you sleep last night? That's
4 hours.
You slept 4 hours. I think I slept also roughly 4 hours. This is not good. This is not a good start.
And Mariana was on a crayfish party and she slept 2 hours.
And she just bought the biggest coffee ever. I love the huge size coffee that she has. It's like, wow, but that view is, at least we get to see something nice. Oh wow. Are you a drone pilot? I guess yes. We were like doing 100k steps with some friends, but I don't have any drone shots, but I'm looking to actually get some drone shots of Stockholm. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love when life just gets so easy. I had no drone for today. Now I have to catch up with them, they're pretty far. But we walked here and then there's an actual guy from Stockholm with an Inspire that has the right to actually fly in Stockholm here in the morning sunrise. And I think I'm gonna get the shots. He said he will send it to me and I'll say I'll put the credit in the description. So if you guys want some sick shots of Stockholm, here's the drone guy. Flyography.Stockholm on Instagram. I love when life just gives you positive things like this. And now I have to run, and that's not positive. So as you can see, we're back in the city, and she's actually not joking. She's... How many steps are you on now?
33,500.
33,500, and I am at 25. But the question is, are you gonna keep on walking with us and just try to reach as much?
I will finish with like 120,000, and you will only have 100,000. I'm on Lisa's calculation. Yeah.
And I have lots of batteries and lots of camera gears. Hey Siri, open the health app. Nice! Past the 30k step count. But now it's time to change the socks. And for now, 30k has been feeling kind of okay. I had to put some blister bandage at 15k already. Not having blisters, but having the pain. Otherwise, having a bit of pain in the thigh. Dry socks. Ah, that's the one. And I'm pretty stoked about the fact that my douche bag actually has a hip strap. I've never really been using it, but today I can really feel that I needed it for my shoulders. I just realized that I have the phone that is connected to the speaker, so every time you can walk past some people, then we can play some nice sound that I... Look at this.
Did you find an app?
She's on the phone. She's on the phone. I don't know if you guys can recognize behind, but that's the start of the Red Bull Wings for Life race that we did twice with Yoon. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention this, but Yoon was in Mora, so that's why he couldn't join. But I think he didn't really like the idea so much, so I don't think he would have joined anyway. Would you have Yoon for 100k steps?
Of course I would have, Benny. You know I love really bad, stupid ideas. I mean, I love the idea, but I'm pretty happy I didn't do it. But it was nice to follow you.
And like passing by here remind me so many memories of running and struggling, and I can start feeling the pain in my legs right now, and remind me also of the feeling of just walking past the line and grabbing a Red Bull, chugging it and keeping on running. But unfortunately this time we didn't have any Red Bull support. Maybe we can fix that later, we'll see. Okay, so we started 7 hours ago now, roughly, and we're back in the city. Next step is gonna be lunchtime. Finally the food. Midway food reward. Not even midway, just under. Oh no. $70k steps in. It's kind of a weird feeling because I was going through so much pain just 20 minutes ago. I had one huge blister, I guess, that exploded in my pinky, and then both my knees and my thigh and my calf were just completely dead. But all of a sudden I don't feel the pain anymore. I just have chills all around my legs, which kind of compensate the pain and feels not so bad anymore. It's kind of crazy to do like new things like this. You don't know what to expect. It's always kind of scary, but then once you do it, you usually end up being happy, and yeah, that's a good feeling. But I wanted to jump in and talk to you guys about doing new things, learning new skills, and talk to you about Skillshare, the online learning community where you have all the classes that you want. We have from learning how to do yoga, how to work out, how to run, how to cook, even how to play piano. That's one thing that I want to learn soon. And I mean, you know it already. Both Yoon and I, we have classes on the website as well. I have my video editing class and Yoon has his photography and photo editing class. Hey guys, welcome to this first ever video editing course. And the best thing about this is that now Skillshare is giving away again 2 free months of premium membership to the first 1,000 of you guys that click the link in the description. And I mean, with that, there is no excuse to not explore your creativity and learn new skills. Check out the course that we did and don't forget to let us know directly on the platform what you think about the course so we can interact over there. Oh wow. Can I ask who decided that like little path just to finish our knees? Oh. Feeling like a grandpa that tries to climb like Eiffel Tower or something.
Olika winter edition och vanliga.
Please.
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Told you we might get something fixed.
Oh,
We got it.
we got it.
Oh, tack så mycket Josefin.
Varsågod.
Oh. Josephine works at Red Bull, if you didn't understand. Yeah, we love her. Oh. Oh. Oh, we just had the best food ever. 6:45, which means we have been doing this for 12 hours and 45 minutes. Lisa is about to be done with hers. She only has 2,000 steps left and we have 25,000. Are you done? Are you finished?
I'm finished.
Oh, give me a high five. Good job.
And that was
Well
about
done.
it.
Enjoy the rest and the popcorn.
Thanks.
And she keeps on running. Oh, 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 oh. Wow, I've never had this before. Oh, I felt an instant explosion in my thing, and I guess the whole blister must have been completely exploded. Wow, and now it feels like I'm like swimming in a liquid in my shoe. Oh, and only what, 2.5 or 3 hours left? No idea, but I don't want to know. Oh wow. And we are almost back to the start. This is the King Castle, and Grand Hotel is on the other side. We still have 6,000 steps left. You can't believe the amount of pain there is. It's the toughest, by far, the toughest experience I've ever lived. And honestly, doing it alone, Oscar, you're a trooper. Oh, stairs. This is getting so tricky. Do you guys mind if I give up? Huh. Oh, see you in half an hour then.
60 steps left.
60.
20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 100!
Yes! Try this, guys. I don't recognize my legs anymore. Oh, you did good. You too, you did good. Oh.
Thank you guys for today.
That was good.
That was so good. Ciao. Ciao. And now, Uber home. 1 minute away. Perfect. It is by far the toughest experience I've got to live in my entire life. By far. I cannot even speak. had to wait 24 hours to actually say some stuff to the camera, to you guys. Yesterday I was so confused with the amount of pain I had, I could not even finish this video. Safe to say, legs are feeling way better today. Feet are still super swollen. I still cannot fit in my shoes though. The blisters, they're still huge and they're full of liquid. It was by far the toughest experience in my entire life, but I'm grateful that we did it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is at 99,000 subscribers, I think. So let's make it to 100k as well. Why not? Especially with that video. Don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you think. And oh, Ski, do you know how much I hate you?
I'm so happy I did it.
Oh.